So in last video basically we saw that basically how the world basically is like. So one of the person told that basically how basically are these people basically are giving trouble to you basically. Then one of the person told that basically have you done anything basically, because they have given you lots of trouble basically, and you are basically doing the fasting of Hanumanji basically. That means the Hanuman group are also basically giving you trouble or basically. Because if anybody is giving you trouble, that means this group only basically can give you trouble basically. This group basically only have the rights basically. Then one of the person told that basically that means these groups are giving you trouble. Ayodhya Ram Janma Bhoomi group basically. Then he told that basically how basically, that means this group basically are not basically in Hanuman group basically. This group basically are not connected with the Hanumanji group. Then he told that basically might be. And then also basically we are trying to basically solve it, but it's not getting. For that basically we have to connect to each and every god of family basically. Then basically he told that basically we have already, the World Bank is telling it like this basically, we have already connected with the Guru Nanak Ji family. They are basically telling that basically sorry basically we don't have any issue basically. We have not done any bad to that particular person basically. Then he connected to Ravan family also basically, Sri Ram family, then Hanumanji family, Jesus Christ family. They are also basically told that so no basically Pop family, Pop basically, Swami Narayan family basically. Then the Swami Narayan family, then the Pramukh Swami family. They also told basically no yeah basically we don't have any issue basically. Then who is basically creating problem basically yeah basically? That means some Raja Maharaja family is basically creating problem to you basically. Then he told that it might be possible that basically any Mahakali family is creating problem to you, or basically is it that sports group are creating problem to you? Because this is one group basically. If they say that in India basically that this person is not supposed to get job, then basically nobody will give him job basically. For example, Mahendra Singh Dhoni basically. If we say that basically Sunil R Nair को नौकरी नहीं मिलनी चाहिए, so nobody will give him job basically. Sunil R Nair को. Then he told that yeah basically, but I don't have any. Then one of the person told that basically, do you have any problem with Shivaji family, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji? Then I told that no basically I don't have family. I don't have problem with the Mahendra Singh Dhoni also basically. I don't have any problem with Kiran More also basically. No, I don't have any problem basically. World will end basically. Sorry, world will not end basically. One of the person told that world will end or world will not end basically. Then he told that basically, one of the person told that yeah, can we finish the entire world basically and we'll create the entire world again? Because now basically things are basically too much basically. Then one of the sports person told that no yeah basically we always help the people basically. I think you have got some wrong information that basically Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Kiran More family, or basically Chhatrapati Shivaji family, these people are giving you trouble basically. They are not giving you trouble basically. Then one of the person told that basically you visited Mumbai city, right? Then why they have not given a job basically? Then basically I think basically this group. Then one of the person told that Kiran More and Dhoni basically both are basically different. One is Marathi and one is from Bihar basically. Then he told that yes here basically. That is also correct. Few people says that real Mahendra Singh Dhoni and he is Marathi. The person who hit 6 basically, he is from Maharashtra basically. Then he told that no yaar basically, that is not possible yaar basically. Because world will end basically on time only basically. That only basically I want to tell. Then one of the person told that basically, are you sure basically you are going to tell that basically Mahendra Singh Dhoni is Marathi? Then one of the person told that basically, see basically this. See this basically. Microsoft, Oxford Dictionary, 35 words given to Microsoft. Body parts given is heart, head and leg. See basically this whole thing, 200 people basically are connected with this. See basically, World will basically, few people say that world will end here basically. Few people says that no yaar, basically don't do yaar this basically. We are doing this na basically. We are doing this basically. Then one of the person told that yaar basically every time basically uh, that is the Jesus family, every time basically they comes to India basically. When this happens basically, whenever this happens, that family basically comes to India basically. That means they also basically are afraid that basically something will happen basically. Then why they are coming every time to India basically at the time of the Christmas only? Then he told that he is correct here basically. Because Sri Krishna God, then the Shankar Bhagwan family, that is Mahakali family, then the Chhatrapati Shivaji family, then the Jesus Christ family, then the Pramukh Swami family, then the Swaminarayan family. These are basically blood cells are very powerful. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically these people say blood cells are very powerful with them. Then one of the Sunil person told that basically this group has not helped you basically. This group also not helped you basically. One of the universe person basically who actually created the world and basically he told basically this group are basically the world basically. This group not helped you basically. Then Sunil R Nair told that no, yeah, basically this group also not help you. This group basically was supposed to help you basically because you are doing this type of fasting. You are going to temple. You are going this basically. You are going sometime basically. You are going to Parsi Agyari also basically. That group also, that is TCS also not helped him. You are visiting the Parsi Agyari also basically. I told basically I basically got the information from the universe basically. Then you told that no, yeah, that is TCS basically. They also not helped you. Then one of the person no, yeah, basically they also not. Then the Sindhi family basically, that is Brahma Kumari family. Few people says that basically Tata Consultancy Group, that Ratan Tata and Naval Tata basically they are Sindhi family basically, real family na basically. No, yeah, that is not possible. Yeah, world will end on time only basically. Yeah, 100%. Like this basically one of the person told basically. Few people says that basically Ratan Tata and Naval Tata basically are they Sindhi family? Then it was like no, yeah, basically how they can be a Sindhi family? How basically they can be a Sindhi family? Then it was like no, yeah, basically they are not from real people basically. They are not a Sindhi family. Yeah, basically how you can say that basically? Yeah, they are from Sindhi. Then basically why they are in playing the role of Parsi basically? Then one of the person told that basically they are actually in playing the role basically, but real basically they are in a Sindhi basically. Then one of the person told that basically who is Sindhi are basically. Then he connected to this basically. After Jesus Christ family, he connected to this basically. Because world will end on time only basically. See basically, this is Brahma Kumari family basically. See yes, yeah, this is Brahma Kumari family. Yes, basically. And he is basically one of the Baba basically. One of the person told that basically this Ratan Tata and the Naval Tata basically is from this family. Then it is not here basically. They are basically Parsi basically. That means this person is Parsi basically. This Baba basically. No, he is not Parsi basically. Lots of people says that he basically died. He actually died. Lots of people says basically he died. He actually died. Lots of people says that basically. Then basically one of the person told that basically how he can die here basically. The itihas never dies basically. The history never dies. Itihas. Then he told that yes, here basically history never dies. That means he is somewhere basically in India or basically somewhere in US, UK basically like that. Then one of the person told that he might be in India only basically because Jesus Christ family basically basically comes into the Asia land basically whenever the 11 parts basically is ongoing. Then he told that means basically Ratan Tata and Naval Tata basically real family is this family. So in next video basically we are going to see about the Tata groups.